Yesterday in my live stream, that's What is Kerry Thinking, I do every morning on a live stream, I mentioned the word Agentic AI, and I explained to you what it was, but you had heard about it before, but you probably didn't register with you exactly what Matthew McConaughey and Woody were telling you. So here, I want you to listen to this, and then we'll talk about Agentic AI.
If my healthcare provider had Agentforce, the powerful AI from Salesforce, the AI agent would have automatically paired me with the right specialist hours ago, like Woody's did.
I like it here, dude. Wow, good for you.
What Matthew's talking about is that AI is going to be a part of your life in the future, if you so choose, that will help you make important decisions. Just like Matthew said, it'll make sure you connect with the right doctor. It'll make sure you connect with the right carpenter and the right yard man and everything else, because it will have access to all the knowledge in the world about those people that you want to engage with, or you want to hire, or you want to bring into your home. And they will have an AI agent, and your agents will communicate with each other so that you will make better investment or life decisions. You will communicate on a medical basis of what your situation is, not you, but your agent who lives with you in the form of probably glasses will know everything about you. And when you need to seek advice or seek knowledge, it will provide it for you. And then when you want to seek help, whether it be a doctor or whatever, it will engage their AI agent, and you'll make a better, more efficient, less expensive decision that will affect your life positively. That's where this is going. And what I think as an investor, it's real important that you get a grasp of this and understand who's going to bring it to you and in what form it's going to be. Now, Salesforce believes they're going to be able to provide you with this AI agent. I don't see it in their numbers, because if they did around 2032, their numbers would just skyrocket. At this point, they aren't projecting that. So that causes me some caution. But I do know who will provide, whether it's Salesforce or someone else, with the compute that will enable this to happen. And that is the hyperscalers, who are right now spending hundreds of billions of dollars to get the compute put together so that your AI agent can give you agentic AI. And I don't like the artificial, because it is not artificial knowledge. It is actual knowledge. It is real knowledge that you now will have access to through an agent. This is where it's going. And if you understand it, you can figure out who to invest in. First of all, you follow the money. You've got Amazon and Google. You've got Meta and Microsoft, and they're spending everything they've got and borrowing more to make this happen. When it does, your life will change and their stock prices will skyrocket. In the meantime, this all has to be built out. You will not have an agentic agent, AI agent, probably until 2030. But at that time, this is all it's going to consume you much as the internet has. It is going to be what's going to change your life. It's going to commoditize knowledge so that everybody has access to it. And it's just those who know how to use it the best through an AI agent, through agentic AI, will build a whole new world out of it. Again, knowledge is going to become a commodity. And and again, that you used to have to go to Harvard or Wharton or Princeton to set yourself aside as the person with the knowledge. That's over. Probably in about, as I say, 2030, everybody will have it. It's just the guy who knows how to use it, or the gal who knows to access it that is going to separate themselves from the pack. It's a new world, and you need to invest in it. And I'm here to help you. Kerry Grinkmeyer, I'm a retired financial advisor that just getting a kick out of this because I figured it out. And I just realized Matthew figured it out. If he understood the words he was saying, Matthew and Woody. So take a look at it, think about it, and if I can help you, just go to the link in the description, and you just come and get on the bus. That's our tribe, and we'll work together to benefit from the biggest change in the world.